Welcome to this 8-bedroom house for sale in Bronberg, 0081, South Africa for R15 million. Prime land suitable for lifestyle resort, boutique hotel or guest house spa in beautiful surroundings on the northern slope of the Bronberg mountain. Close to huge commercial developments, also ideal for residential development. Own access road from Linwood Road. Unique nature paradise and tranquil birds sanctuary lovingly established over 35 years. Ideal for a forest lodge wellness or spa center boutique hotel or guest lodge. For a single buyer or consortium. Has a main house, positioned on northern mountain slope with breathtaking view. Main residence is 312 meters, old world double-story Art Nouveau mansion. Separate outhouse of 28 meters includes square, laundry and guest room. Guest studio flat is 132 meters. 2ND residence of 250 meters. Outhouse laundry and store 18 meters. Bungalow style cottage 180 meters. Brick staff house 24 meters. It has a 2.5 meters wall with electric gate to secure estate. Entire estate is walled and palisaded. Alarms are fitted to entire electric fence. Exotic garden, fruit trees, incredible shrubbery, rare plants, vegetable garden. Fully irrigated with generous borehole and computerized pump. Several garden features and water features. Rock pool and waterfall. Barbecue labor and deck entertainment plus children's playground area. All with garden lanterns and walkway safety lighting. This unique well-positioned, well-established gracious living estate is a bargain. Already declared as a township on 2 stands, and 1 hectare on the Golden Mole Greenbelt has given permission to build 1 residential home of any size. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.